What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I have the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, and it's time to put the cameras to the test. I do like cinematic footage videos a lot on this YouTube channel, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to test out Pro Video mode on the Galaxy Z Flip 5G and put it to the test, and I'm going to come back and give you some commentary. Well, as you may know, that Samsung took away Pro Mode with their earlier devices, but they brought it back. Pro Mode is very important, especially if you want to, do kind of filmmaking and stuff like that. Pro Mode, what it does is you can adjust your white balance, your aperture, your shutter speed, also your manual focus. So in this video, I'm going to do all of that. I am going to adjust my manual focus. I'm going to adjust my aperture and everything in between to kind of give you this cinematic film-like experience in this video. And after the video that I'm going to show you, I'm going to come back and give you some commentary on my thoughts about how did it work when I filmed and all my filming settings and stuff like that. This is going to be a good one. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so the footage that you just saw was shot entirely on the Galaxy Z Flip. I didn't do no color grading, no modifications. It came straight from the camera to you guys. Well, of course, I had to put the clips together, but I didn't do no modifications and no extra editing or nothing like that. The footage that you just saw came straight from the Galaxy Z Flip. I love manual mode. I love Pro mode. Let me talk about some of the settings and give you some commentary about some good and bad things that I incurred while I was doing this footage here. So my settings was as followed. My ISO was at 50, and the reason why is because it had to be at this lowest settings. I was shooting in broad daylight, and I mean it was very bright. So I shot with ISO 50. My shutter speed was 1/125, and the reason why I was shooting this video at 4K at 60 frames per second, so I'm using the rule of the 180 rule that you have to double your shutter speed with the frame rate. So I shot at my shutter speed was 1/125. Now my focus was on manual focus in certain parts of this video, and then the grass scene I put it on autofocus, and the reason why is because I did wanted to get that effect of the blurriness and the grass in focus and the blurriness and the grass in focus. Look, us filmmakers, we like to have those type of effects. So the grass scene that you saw in this video was intentionally done on autofocus, but everything else was done in manual mode with manual focus. All right, so let's go back into it. Another one of my settings was my white balance. I shot this at 5400 Kelvin, and the reason why is because it was hot, it was bright, so I try to keep my white balance at 5400 Kelvin. Look, autofocus is something, auto video is something that I do not like shooting it. I like to shoot all my videos in manual mode. So just so you know, the consistency of manual mode is king supreme. Also, what I like about this device is the audio. Audio can be changed in 3 ways. You could do the audio is you could plug up a audio jack here using USB Type-C, or you could use Bluetooth which is really nice. I want to let y'all guys see that. So you could do the phone mics, you could do USB, which is a USB microphone, or you could do Bluetooth. So I'm gonna test that out in the later video that you can use Bluetooth as far as your microphone system of choice. So that's pretty neat. Also, it has a histogram. Histogram is really good because it shows you where your spikes and your dark spots and your spikes. So histogram was really good here. Also, using manual mode with manual focus, you got focus peaking on this device, which it shows you the green part of the image that you're shooting with. That lets you know that it's in focus. So this is one of the reasons why I love using manual mode on devices of choice, right? So when Samsung took away Pro mode, you know, a lot of people got upset because if you use Pro mode, you could get a nice precision, cinematic looking footage that you can use no matter what, instead of all that fluctuation and everything that you see in a lot of videos when using auto mode. Let me give you some cons about the footage that I shot here. Some of the cons is that since I was outside in the bright sunlight, it was really difficult to see the screen. So that's something that you definitely got to take into account. Even when I had this display at full brightness, I did have some difficulty when I was shooting the video, kind of going side to side, and I'm looking, and it was very difficult to see the screen. So that's something you definitely got to take into account when shooting in manual mode or shooting in auto mode or whatever you're going to shoot at in broad daylight. So I had a tough time shooting the video in broad daylight. But that's about it. That's about the only con that I have with this device as far as Pro mode. You saw the footage. You let me know what you think. Now, you be the judge for yourself for looking at this footage. I tell you, I really enjoy shooting videos with this device. I'm going to do a full audio test, and I'm going to do a comparison videos between this device and other devices that I got in my arsenal, like the V60 and other devices that I have, to see how does it hold up compared to other devices. But I really enjoy shooting the cinematic footage in manual mode with the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. Wow. This is Eric from AskEazyComputerSolutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Z Flip 5G in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Always shoot in manual mode. Don't never shoot in auto mode. Shoot in manual mode. Later.